Hello students, I am Sunil Mani, faculty for the information technology. Today we have to see the basic terminology for the subject information technology. That are the subject is related to the computer. Therefore, we have to know what is computer. Basically, what is computer? What is computer? Okay. The basic terminology. What is computer? Then what is computer? Computer is an electronic device. It is electronic device. Electronic device which accept the input and produce a processed output. Okay, processed output. It is electronic device which accepts input. Input means raw data. Here input means raw data and output means processed data. Okay, means computer is an electronic device. It is a machine which is electronic device which accepts the input whatever may be. It is raw data and produce a processed output. That is the finished data or processed data. That is in symbolical form. Here is input, here is process and output. It is a computer. Here is the raw data. Here is processed data or finished data. Okay, it is a computer in symbolic form. Okay, then one by one we have to see here. Here is input, here is output. Then what is input? Input 1, input devices or input. The data which is accepted through the input devices, input device which is called as input devices. Then which are the devices used to take the input? It may be input devices, for example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. The device which takes the input, which is called as input devices. Here is keyboard, mouse. Okay. Then what is output device? It is input device. Then what is output device? What are the output devices? Second, output devices. Output devices. output devices. The device which is used to take the output. The device which is used to take output. For example, printer, monitor, etc. Printer, monitor, these devices are used to take the output. Okay. Then here the word data. Then what is data? What is data? The data which has no meaning. Data which has no meaning or unprocessed. It may be fact or figure. It may be fact or figures. Any fact which has no meaning is called as a data. Data which has no meaning. It may be fact or figure. The fact which has no meaning. Any fact. The student does not understand the meaning of that word is called as a fact. Fact is nothing but it is difficult to understand. It's called as a fact. And figure any number. For example, number 10. Then what is 10? It is difficult to understand. What is 10? Okay? The fact or figure which has no meaning, it's difficult to understand, therefore it is called as a data. Okay? Then information. Information. What is information? The data which has a meaning, is called as information. For example, here is rupees 10. It has a meaning. 10 has no meaning. It is a data. But rupees 10 has a meaning. Roll number 10. It has a meaning. Therefore, information, the data which has a meaning is called as a information. Okay. Student, we have to learn here the basic terminology, that is what is computer, what is data, what is input devices, what is output devices. Then next we have to see the definition of the information technology. IT. How to define the IT? IT is not a single entity. It is not a single object. It is a combination of different objects, different subjects. It is a bunch of or group of the entities. Okay. Therefore, the information technology technology is process of creation to deliver of data creation to deliver data. Then what are the objects we have to use here to creation to deliver? For example, we have to make any article, any product, then creation to deliver, there are number of pages are in between these pages. For example, here is creation, okay, then designing, okay, then processing, okay, then storing, okay, and then last one, deliver, okay. These are the pages which are used in the information technology. Therefore, information technology is not a single entity, it is a number of pages which are from creation to deliver, creation, designing, processing, storing, gathering, etc. is called as a information technology. The information technology is not a single entity and which is a bunch of the phases from creation to deliver, okay. Then input devices which are used to take the input. Here we have to learn different pages of information technology. First, we have to study what is computer, then second, data, third is information, fourth is input, fifth is output, Student, we take the next lecture tomorrow. Thank you.